exit ako, kuya. Ano bang
Bawal, bawal.
Bawal sila
Bawal.
ano? Kasi may kasama na tayo. Nakausap na kita kanina mo. Kuya, exit na ako. Exit na ako, kuya. Hindi mo na kaya exit na ako, kuya. Promise, exit na ako. Hindi mo na talaga kaya. Promise sa'yo.
Sama ko na si Pao.
Exit na ako. Exit na ako.
Sama ko si Pao. Sama ko si Pao.
Promise, hindi. Atakin ako. Exit na ako, kuya. Paano magtatakbo tayo?
Welcome to the House of Darkness. Are you all ready for this?
Na tayo kasama. Lost souls. Well, I see another one. Who's that little boy?
Teka lang.
He's with you all the time. This is our living room. It's not so living as it's meant. They're quite dead now.
Bakit magulat yun?
No. Welcome to the bedroom. This is the young girl. Her name's Anastasia. She's the only daughter of our beloved Dr. Fanny. Every night, Anastasia suffers from her battery. Terrible her night. Every night.
Oh, kalma. Wait lang! Wait lang! Teka lang ah!
Hinga.
Teka lang! Wait lang na! Time first! Go na!
Time first. Ay, kailangan daw natin mag-go. Ay, we need to keep moving.
Keep moving! Muna ka tayo!
Mas mabilis ako ah.
Go! Wala kasi hangin!
Hoy, asa kayo?
Dito.
Oh, go.
Bakit wala nang ginawa to?
Jenna, wait ka lang. Hinga ka muna, hinga. Kaya. Kaya?
Wala akong choice, nasa gitna na tayo!
Okay ka lang? Jenna, hinga ka ha.
So, our mission is to exit!
Let's go, guys.
Ano ulit sa malat?
Let's go, girl. Relax. Hinga.
Teka lang! Teka lang!
Uy, okay ka lang?
Kaya, let's go!
Sure?
Tayo? Turn!
Hindi, wrong room.
Ha? Uy, saan tayo pupunta?
My God, let's go.
Ayoko! Dito!
Wala dito exit. Uy, tara.
Wrong room.
Wrong turn, guys.
Wrong turn? Saan tayo magta-turn?
Doon.
Wala tayo ibang tinarnan.
Hindi, baka may ibang... Hindi, wrong turn. Wrong room, kuya.
Where are you going, guys?
Exit.
Go to the treetop.
Ha?
Close the door.
Ay, okay. Just the door. Oh, let's go.
Wala namang door doon.
Yung ano, di ba yung parang ano? Hahanapin natin yung ano, yung door.
Siyempre, hindi ko bubuksan yan. Bala ka doon.
Wrong turn. Yun! Woo! Ito yung door.
Ito pala yung door.
Ako, may claustrophobia pa. Aray ko. Sumabit pa ako dito.
Ay, putang ina nyo!
doon.
Welcome everyone to the GSP Cafe. You may look around, but please do not touch anything in here because everything in here is cursed and haunted. Now I do have a question. I think I've seen this picture before. No, she is ugly chameleon. Oh, I do remember now. A lady down there, lurking in the shadows. She might be good here. So best be careful and watch your back.
Thank you.
Now watch your step, you might trip and roll and eventually die.
Matay sa katamahan. Hoy, uminga mo na at may nagtan. Hindi ko, mamamatay ako sa init.
Bakit ka ba ginawa ito? Bakit?
Malinaw to, no? Pagkano? Sa Bakit hindi nyo inugasan yung pinggan?
Ay naman yun na
Nasabi ko sa inyo eh. Anis na ako sa dito eh. Nauna yung pananakaw.
One by one, your flesh and pain, and you let the demon dead shall rise. You're going to die tonight.
Ang ganda ng mga sabi ko. Oo, totoo.
I love the actor.
Oo, magaling mga. Ma'am. Malapit na ako mag-cramp.